Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to show you how to mount and connect a Orbit 4-station timer. Alright, let's go ahead and open this up. So in the back here we have opening here where you're going to put the head of the screw through here. That will help you to position your timer so that way you can screw in the other bolt. So there's 3 screws all together. Right here you have these 2 spots right here where you'll drill your screws in. But first we have to do is drill through it, because it doesn't come like that. It doesn't come drilled through already. You got to do that, and then it'll drill right here. Okay, so you have those holes there. All right, so it comes with a template, which makes it easier to mount. So this is the outline of the timer, and then we have the holes here. Alright folks, so what I did is on these little circles right here, I poked a hole with a pencil right in the center of that. Yeah, right there. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll put that where I want to mount it at. I want the timer to be mounted. And I made a little mark here where this enters the timer. So I'll center that right here. And then gotta make sure that's squared. You can put a level right here if you want, but I can kind of tell with this how the level is. Okay. Then go ahead and mark that. The screws are supposed to be. Really see that one, I can mark that. Alright folks, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to drill a little pilot hole on that top, for that top screw. Alright. Then I'll put my screw in. And it's not going to go all the way in. It's got to leave a little gap there. So, go ahead and see that works. Okay, that's not bad right there. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. I'm gonna put these wires in this hole right here. Then I'm going to, at the same time, get that lined up with that screw and this right here. Okay, so we're good right there. Alright, so go ahead and put another pilot on here. Put my screw in there. Move the pilot over here. Alright folks, so then we'll wire it in here. You got your white for your common, and it goes, there's a little hole right underneath this right here, and you just basically push up, and then you see how it grabs. Okay, then you go station 1, same thing. You kind of help it if you need to. Pull it with your finger like that, and then you can see how it grabs on. Same thing here. Just have to kind of put it at an angle, and you can fill that hole in there, and then you can just push it up like that if you need to, and then it grabs on, and then like that, and there, it's all connected. That's about it there. Go ahead and test it. This right here is for your battery, so if there's a power shortage, your battery backup will keep your program. Just connect that, and then you just connect it to your outlet. That's it. They're all connected. Power. And we're all good. Okay, that's it, folks. Don't forget to subscribe. If you have any comments or questions, leave it on the comment section. We'll see you on the next one.